Hello, and welcome to this session on how to change an occupant's location. Many times an occupant has been buried in the wrong location or wrong grave, and we need to change that in the data. So first of all, let's go to our Manage Graves up here in our primary task box. And we'll notice here that in location A111, we have an occupant, Juanita Ockling. And she's actually in location 2 here, A112. So how can we move Juanita from location 1 to location 2? We have a special tool for this. First of all, we need to go to our primary task and click on Manage Occupants. Once we are in the Manage Occupants, we need to search for or look for the either occupant or the grave location. And it may be beneficial to use the search features down here in the bottom left corner with either the name or the advanced button to search by location. But once we determine the location here, in this case we have Juanita right here, we want to double click so the occupant is selected. And then if we come to our Tools tab on the left side here, we can click on our Change Location tool. This tool then brings up a window with the current location of the occupant listed in the top part. It also gives us a space to set the site status or the grave status once this person has been moved. What do we want this to reflect after this change has been made? In this case, I want it to reflect that this grave is sold, or this location is sold. Then I need to put in the new location. This is where the occupant is actually located. And we have the site status here, in which case this is occupied. Now, one thing to remember, if this grave location that you enter here is not already in the system, this tool will create this grave location, no questions asked. So please make sure this is a valid grave location where you are recording this new person or moving this person to. Once the information is filled in, we simply click the OK button, and a confirmation window is presented to us, saying that Juanita has been moved from location 111 to 112. And once we've done that, we click OK. We can see that up here in the right-hand corner, the location address has changed. And if I go back to Manage Graves, we can see that 111 now has a status of sold and no occupant, and 112 now has a status of occupied, and the occupant, Juanita Ockling, has been moved successfully. If you have any questions or need further assistance with this, please feel free to call the Pontum's Help Desk at 888-237-8531.